Hey, this is Candace with Seas a Day Charters, and I'm here at the 2022 Greek Boat Show touring yachts and meeting crew. Got some sweet yachts behind me, all lined up in a row. One thing I wanted to talk about was everybody's saying, all the charter brokers like myself are like, wow, how many boats are there in Greece this year? There's so many more motor yachts than there's ever been before. The whole dock is lined up with a row down here too, luxury motor yachts, and they're all behind me. So a lot of reasons why an owner might choose to reposition their boat, but a big one is definitely going to be the VAT in Greece. So like the VAT is a value added tax, or the tax you're paying on top of your charter fee. You don't really get anything out of this, but it's just the tax you have to pay. It doesn't affect the quality of your trip. But in Greece, it's 12% of the charter fee. So you book a $100,000 yacht, you pay another 12,000, euro, not dollars, another 12,000 euro on top of the fee. But if you book it in, say, France or Italy or Spain, you're paying 22 to 24%. So another 24,000 euro on top of your charter fee if you're booking a 100 grand yacht. I mean, not all of these boats are 100 grand. Some of them kind of start at, 20, 30,000 euro for the week and go up from there. Some of them are a lot more money. Like this giant beast behind me is like $1 million a week. So when you're doing these trips, like the VAT and the taxes and the little things are hitting you up for that you don't get anything out of it, make a big difference. And it's caused a lot of boats to choose to relocate to Greece, where it's a little bit more favorable to charter and to operate. So that's one of my charter tips. I'm gonna keep checking back in and giving more feedback as the show goes along. Please like and follow for more. And it's May Day, it's May 1st, and that's what the flowers are all about. So give me a like if you think they're fun. Thanks, bye.